Every CA student works hard, but hard work alone doesn't guarantee success. It's about working smart, avoiding common mistakes, and being exam ready. In this video, I will share the top mistakes a CA student make and how we can avoid them. Many students skip mock tests and the RTPs and then they panic or struggle in exams. Mocks aren't just about writing practice. The test whether your subconscious learning is coming out correctly at the right time. One biggest mistake, timing. We as students often solve the mock just before 10 or 15 days of the exam. But ideally, it should be done during our second revision. Mocks tell us, is my writing speed okay? Am I executing it correctly? Am I being able to recall under pressure? Remember, practicing late is as bad as not practicing at all. Another mistake is rushing into articleship with a narrow focus. We as students think, I will do only GST, I will do only tax, I will do only audit, or I will do only corporate finance. But during articleship, our 2 years should be a learning playground for us. We should give each and everything, we should learn each and everything, whatever is coming our way. Keep room to explore, learn everything, and then we can specialize later on. The third is as exams approach, doubts creep in. I'm forgetting everything, I don't remember anything in the exam hall. Listen, this happens to each and every student who is going for an exam. So the key is trust your preparation. Once you enter the exam hall, be calm and you will realize that the concepts will flow back. Confidence is not the arrogance, it's the belief we have in ourselves for the efforts we have put in for the last 3 to 6 months. The fourth is when we enter CA, our only obsession is clearing CA. Yes, clearing matters, but clearing CA it's just the start. Ask any qualified CA and they will tell you will regret if you don't work on yourself. So during this CA journey, try to work on yourself, be street smart, use your effective communication, do practical skills, learn practical skills, do here and there the things which will make you differ from the crowd. Last but very important, not seeking help. Remember, CA is a, I would say, a tiring course. This is a 4 years journey. This is not a 1 year or 2 year journey. So during these 4 years, whatever struggles you're facing, whether it is personal, whether it is during articleship, whether it is related to your studies, go and talk to mentors, whether it's your friend, whether it's your senior, whether it's a family member, anyone. Go and seek help. It will help you to be motivated and just keep on going. So these are the 5 mistakes a CA student makes usually during the CA journey, and you can avoid them to have your a better CA journey, I would say. And be smart, be communicative, take help, and yes, you will get this. All the best for your CA journey, and remember, success is not about clearing exams. It's the person you become along the way.